Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. आज Asian equity markets are mixed bag, though the Chinese equities are doing quite well and the Chinese currency is strengthening. That's good news for the Indian rupee, जिससे कारण USDINR is trading lower, 80, 48, 49 के आसपास है spot, which means the futures may open around 80, 55, 56 levels. That's going to be roughly 34 paisa kind of a gap down from where it closed last Friday. The momentum is still on the downside because there is longs in the market and the long liquidation can push prices lower. But having said that, हम लोग अगर historically episodes को देखें जहाँ पे long liquidations have happened, this is the deepest one or the deepest cut which USDINR has seen this year. क्योंकि अभी तक जो भी correction हुआ है, it has been around 2%, the bigger corrections. But this time it is more than 3%. So this is definitely the biggest correction which USDINR is seeing. Now where it can go, 80, 40 एक support level है, but the bigger support level comes near 80 levels on the spot. क्योंकि ये 80 levels ही था जहाँ पे dollar rupee was getting stuck between July and September, and finally it broke out around end of September after the US Fed meeting. So that's going to become a very strong support. So 79.80 से 80, that is a very strong, formidable support level जहाँ पे it is advisable if it gets there to cover the shorts. That doesn't mean that's going to be the bottom, but that's one level which we are watching. क्योंकि क्या होता है कि long liquidation में trade reversal में जब एक major trade reverse होता है, let's say long dollar, short everything, that trade is getting reversed, things can extend much more than what you anticipate based on supports. But the trade at least during the first half of the week, today at least, is sell on rise. Because there is scope for the market to head towards 80 and even 79, 80 levels on the spot. Now, where it can bottom out will be a function of number of things, that the long liquidation extinguishes and then we see a sharp pullback. Because it has been seen in the past, like a sharp decline ke baad, let's say of 3-4 rupees ke baad, we see a very sharp reversal upward. वो V-shaped होता है. Keep that in mind. It is generally after a straight drop from an all-time high, once it finds a near-term bottom, that may not become the ultimate bottom, but a near-term bottom, वहाँ से जो एक rebound आता है, वो like a V आता है, very sharp. And then once that peaks, again a fresh leg down happens. But keep that in mind, you cannot be complacent on the short side, because जब ये short term एक bottom होगा, वहाँ से the reversal could be like a V-shaped rebound. But as of now, the idea is and the trade is कि sell on rise. आज के हिसाब से, आजकल के हिसाब से, it is to sell on rise. 81 is going to be a very strong resistance zone on the spot. So naturally uske upar you can maintain a stop, because last Friday jab dollar rupee had a intraday rebound or an intraday upward correction, it got stuck around 81 levels on the spot and it started to fall once again. Cross currencies में ये हफ्ता there's going to be some important data points which is going to drive the market. एक important data point है US retail sales. That's around the midweek. उसके अलावा UK का number of data points are there. Inflation, you have the jobs report, retail sales, etc., which is of course is going to have a big bearing on the GBP INR. And Euro INR के लिए sentiment data like ZEW and others will also have an impact. So Euro, GBP, Yen, these three currencies have enough economic data to look forward to for volatility. But these are currencies which are primarily or better suited for intraday trading, because overnight the gaps are huge. So therefore it is advisable that you stick to intraday trading in these currencies. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day.